Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day and you are ready to code with me. Today we are on day 32 of Daily UI, and if you're not familiar with Daily UI, it is a challenge, and every day for 100 days you're getting a theme in your email and you have to design or code something based on that. So for day 32 we have crowdfunding campaign, and I'm thinking of doing something really simple because I'm afraid that I don't have much time today, but I hope that you liked yesterday's project where I was combining 6 themes into one. If you didn't check that out, I will leave in the description box the link, so after watching that video please go watch yesterday's video as well. Alright, I think that we are ready to start. Oh, and before we start, I would like to mention one more thing. I'm coding with AngularJs and MaterialUI. So, like if you check the JavaScript part right here, you will see that I have quite a few things. Alright, again, in the description box you will find everything. Let's get started. So for today's theme we are doing day 32 crowdfunding campaign, and in the working area I will type everything. Now for the CSS I have only a few classes and I'm not going to need anything else, just body, theme, working area and some styling for paragraph and header too. In the JavaScript I have my Angular module with my app and the controller, which is going to be app controller. You can also find my app and the controller here in the body. So now I think that we are ready to start typing. The first thing that I want is in the layout row, and for the class currently I don't have anything. I don't think that I will need something. I only have like a layout and a line, center and center. So the thing that I'm going to need here is an image, and I've already found an image that I want to use for this project. Let me just copy the image, and of course you will find it in the description box, and no worries there. Okay, this is my image, and the other thing that I want is to have an H2. Okay, and here I will type stars on C. So let's say that our crowdfunding campaign has something to do with stars on C. I don't know, but I always find stars on C like quite fascinating. So I don't know what this campaign could be about, but I just decided to do something. Now in the paragraph I will have like a context like be part of this mesmerizing experience, see the stars, see the sky, after this your life will change like forever or something like that. Okay, the next thing that I want for my crowdfunding campaign is to have an MD slider like this, and for this slider of course you have to close the tag. And inside here I'm going to have my ng model, and this model is going to be something disable. Oh my god, I cannot type disable. Okay, I will have it like this, and then I'm going also to have like an ng disabled equals true. Okay, and I think that's it for our slider. Okay, now let's add some more divs here with, let's first close that one. Okay, and now I can have like a layout row with what else? Maybe I can add like some style, maybe like a color. I think that I want a light pink or a light, I don't know, maybe purple or something. I know that color, like 6F and then 428F. Okay, you will see that color in a bit. So the next thing that I want is a layout align. This time my alignment is going to be with center and center. Okay, and inside here I'm going to have like a header 4. Okay, I think that we are okay here. So for now I think that we are okay. Oops, I'm going to copy this part and paste it, and paste it like 2 more times. Okay, the first time I'm going to have something like fonts, and after that I'm going to have an H3. Okay, this time let's say that I want to have 12, and I'm going to add the symbol for euro, which is like this thing right here. Okay, so I have like fonts 2080 euros, and then here I'm going to have like the bakers, and let's add like a number again here. Let's do it like this, copy and paste. Let's say that I have like quite a few of bakers, and then in the last part I can have something like days to go, and let's add here like an H3, and let's say that we have like 18 more days to go. Okay, before we end that, I absolutely need one more thing. Okay, layout row. Now I don't think that I need a style. The layout is going to be start, and the other one is going to be end. Okay, I'm going to have a P for paragraph, and let's say that I also want to have a line here, so let's do it like that. Thanks, you are awesome. Oops. Like say that you are awesome for contributing or something like that, and I'm going to leave a line again, and we will mail you future updates. Okay, all right, so I think that we are actually quite done with the HTML and the CSS. I mean, we are done. Maybe for the HTML you don't need the break lines, but you know, you can try and you will see whatever suits best for you. Now for the JavaScript part, which is our last part, I'm going to have a scope, okay, and the disabled that I couldn't write before, okay, and let's have a value here like 70, and then also another scope with is disabled, and again this is going to be set to true. Okay, maybe I don't need here that thing. Okay, let's see the results. Nope, that should be like that. Okay, let's check it one more time. All right, now here we have, this is like 70, and if this wasn't on disabled and this wasn't on true, then you would be able to move the slider. But now, because we're talking about a crowdfunding campaign, I don't think that the user will be able to move the slider. so we have disabled that. But in some future projects you will see that we are going to use more sliders, and we are going to see how you can move them, how you can change them, how you can change the style of them, and things like that. So once again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to open the description box, and there you will find some helpful information. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Some great content is going to come soon, so stay tuned. And yeah, have an awesome day. Don't forget to code just a little bit, and bye!